Hi book friends! Today I'll be reading Hey Water, a book about water. Do you love water? I love water. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hey water, I know you. You're all around. Yes, water is in the faucet. You turn the faucet and water comes out. Water is in the sprinkler that sprays up. Yes. Do you like to play in the sprinklers too? And down in the shower? Someone's taking a shower there. Yes. Water in the sprinkler and in the shower. Water is in the hose and it trickles. There goes a little ladybug and there goes a hose. And that's the water coming out of the hose, trickling out. Do you see the toes? And gurgle in the stream. The stream, it's so beautiful, so squiggly, with the trees and the people enjoying it. They're fishing, and there's people on tires, yes, on rubber tires, going down the gurgling stream made of water. And rush towards the sea in a river. Yeah, the river's a little bigger than the stream, and there's bigger boats on it, and it rushes towards the sea. You cover most of the earth, salty, surging, and mysterious. There goes the ocean, made of water. Yes, very mysterious. I see a whale there. But there's so many animals under there. Very mysterious. Sometimes you lie quiet and calm in a lake. Oh yes, look at that lake with the trees around. And I see a moose right there. There's a boat and a dock with houses and a road. Lie quiet and calm in a lake. So we can splash and play and yell in you. Oh, in a pool. That's the pool, yeah. You can jump in and play ball and be loud. And there's the lifeguard keeping everyone safe. I stomp in you and scatter droplets everywhere. And that's a puddle made of water. And there goes someone splashing in it with boots on. In the morning, you wink at me from blades of grass. In a dewdrop. Yes, have you seen the tiny little dewdrops of water on blades of grass in the morning? Oh, next time, if you remember, go check it out. It's very, very beautiful. They reflect off the sun. Yes, dewdrops are made of water. Sometimes you slide down my cheek without a sound. Yes, a tear. See the eye? And there's a tear going down made of water. Yes, sometimes we cry. And that's okay. Sometimes you roar and pour in rain. Yes, look at those big raindrops pouring down, made of water. Water, even when you try to fool me, I know you. You blast and huff, you whistle and puff. Yes, through steam. That's a teapot right there. And it's huffing and blasting off steam made of water. You hide in the air and drift. And that's what we call clouds. Yes, clouds in the sky are made of water. You see the birds there flying near the cloud, drifting away, made of water. You drift in the air and hide the world. When the fog comes in, yeah, it hides the world. You see that little girl? She's looking out the window, out at the fog. There's a lot of fog where I live, especially in the morning and night. And yes, it hides the world. And the fog is made of water. Sometimes you freeze hard as a rock, like an ice cube. Yes. Do you ever freeze water in the freezer and make ice cubes to have cold drinks? Yes, made of water. And rocks that float, like this iceberg. Wow. You see the ship? And that's the ocean there. And the iceberg is made of water. Or a rock we can skate on, like the skating rink right here. Yes. Oh, he fell down. She's having a lot of fun. You can see all the squigglies that they're making with their ice skates. Yes, the rink is made of water. Sometimes you freeze soft as a feather in the snow. You see the snow falling on the little girl with her jacket and her scarf and her gloves and her hat. They're enjoying the snow. That's soft as a feather, made of water. Yeah. And fancier than lace. But water, I know it's you. Snowflakes, yes. When the snow comes down, the snowflakes fall down with it. And look, they're all different and beautiful. Fancier than lace. Snowflakes are made of water. You're hiding in this funny guy, the snowman. And you're hiding in me too. And that's Zoe. That's her name, Zoe. And there's water in her too. Yes, when we drink water, it goes inside of us. Water, you're a part of every living thing. Like this bird, and this mushroom, and this fish that actually lives in the water, and the puppy drinks water when it's thirsty, and the plant needs water to live and be beautiful, and even this tiny little bug, the butterfly. Yes, water is part of every living thing. When I'm thirsty, there you are. That's a glass of water there. And we drink the water when we're thirsty. And even in the tub, we fill the tub with water and we take a bath and we get nice and clean. And what do we say to the water? Hey, water. Thank you. Thank you, water. Thank you. Water is so important. Yes, and that's the end of Hey, water. must say, this is one of my favorite books. Hey, water. Did you learn something new about water today? I hope you did. Until next time, bye, book friends.